Seriously, it's not by content creating. I'm telling you the fact. But in this video, I'm going to tell you the content that will not earn you anything in every of your social media. That is the real fact I'm about to explore to you, that I'm trying to explain to you. And I have the three main secret I'm going to tell you, I'm going to share with you, which I would like you to listen to me attentively. Open your ears for you to understand where I'm heading to and what to avoid, which is very, very important in this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do well to do that now before you forget. Maybe when you're done watching our video, you forget to subscribe. Please do that right now. Have you done that? I'm waiting. Thank you so much for subscribing. So let's dive into this video. And what are the content that will not earn you anything on your social media? Or it's actually overall. You understand? So don't take it as maybe it's just for YouTube, it's just for Facebook, it's just for. I'm talking about global. And number one is unoriginal content. How will I be able to explain this for you to really understand? You see, when it comes to unoriginal content, like platforms dislikes it. When you are not putting out as a content creator, I'm talking about as a content creator. I always emphasize on content creating. As far as you want to earn, as far as you are inspiring, you are growing, you are trying your best to for you to be monetized. You see, unoriginal content can make you to be demonetized, can make you not to earn on that particular video, to earn not to earn on that particular platform. That is how bad it is. Unoriginal content, no matter if that content is trending or not. Why did I say so? You might decide to upload a video that is trending and so on. You might not get that much emphasis on how the video works. Maybe that person is already earning, or the creator is already earning on that video that you uploaded on your channel or on your platform. And when you get monetized, that particular video might not earn you anything. You might be getting the trends, you might be getting the views, but the person that is actually getting the aim is the original person that actually created that video. That is why it's a no-no on original content. And number two is blurring content. This is where content creators are really getting it wrong. No one said that you won't that you won't have a nice phone, or you must go and get your a iPhone, or maybe this new phone that is actually going on now that people are buying, putting inside water and so on. No one's saying that you should go and buy all of those things. But at least there are necessary things you need to have as a content creator, as someone that is trying to build a fame and to be able to get monetized. You see something we called ring light, having your phone that can accommodate the video you're doing. At least the way you're seeing my face so clearly is okay by you, right? That is how your video should be. It shouldn't be blurry. When I mean by blurry, like for example, you trying to cover something that should be open. At least that thing should be clear. Like the way you are seeing my flower, you see how clear it is. It's not blurry. Nothing is covering it. It's very clear, as you can see. Even if your video is boring, at least you have CapCut, you have things that is needed for you to sharpen that video, for people to see your face, to know who is actually talking. And number three is reposting content with watermarks. Oh my god, how will I say this? People are reposting content with watermarks, and people that are actually taking that glory are the original content, are the original creator of that video. You are not taking that glory. The glory that you're taking is the likes, the comments, people laughing on that, people engaging on that, you getting subscribers, you getting followers, you getting comments, likes, and so on. Apart from that, the watermarks will even give you copyright. Will like you'll get a lot of notifications both on YouTube, policy, and so on. So these three particular thing is what will make you not to earn on any of your social media. And what should you do is to avoid these three things, which I've already made a video on what to do to be able to avoid this, so that you won't get any form of copyright, any form of them send you a message that this video they will bring it down, or maybe when it's time for you to get monetization, you won't really get that monetization. Why? Because you have unoriginal content, your videos is blurring, and you are reposting video with watermarks. Now, so I would like you to go and watch this video, maybe of that, or that is down, go and watch that video for you to be able to understand more on when it comes to content creating and how you can actually get monetized. So if you're still watching this video till now, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and follow us, because we'll still try to create a community where we can discuss more on how to grow on this channel. So I'll see you in my next video.